someone to dream about. I'm going home alone with only trouble on my mind. I've roamed the streets 1,000 times, but a girl is hard to find. I've learned my
Hi guys, welcome back to my
lesson.
channel and welcome to a fall fashion day in the life video. Bring you guys shopping with me. I actually got a message the other day, or I've gotten a few messages actually of a lot of you guys on Instagram saying that you miss my fall fashion videos or just fashion videos in general. And to be completely honest, whenever I've done just like a straight up haul, it just doesn't perform as well. I feel like a lot of people aren't as interested. So hopefully if I mix kind of like lifestyle, bringing you guys shopping with me, that sort of thing, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up. That is honestly a huge help. It lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. So once Meadow wakes up from her nap, she's currently napping, I'm gonna take her with me. We're gonna go shopping. I'm on the hunt for like the perfect shacket. Like I've seen so many cute, I've seen so many cute shackets. And I'm just on the hunt for the perfect one. Like there's some that are like lighter. This one's just kind of like a cardigan, I guess you can call it. This one's definitely more lightweight because it is super warm out. And I feel like I need to find that in between. I have some that are for super warm weather, but it doesn't get too cold here too often. So anyways, we're gonna go to H&M. We might stop at Forever 21. I feel like I haven't been there in forever. Hopefully it all works out, bringing Meadow with me. And if you guys have your own children or a toddler, a baby, or even kids in general, I feel like it could get kind of difficult trying to like pull out a camera and film while I'm shopping, while also making sure that she's okay. And I'm just really cautious with her when I'm out and about. So you guys will see in this video, hopefully it all works out. Give it a thumbs up, like I said, if you guys end up enjoying it. I'm also gonna make some bison chili right now. So it's just gonna be all the fun fall stuff, fall fashion centered video. So yeah, let's start the day. Let's go ahead and start with the crock pot chili. Step one, I'm getting warm already, trying to search for stuff. So, okay, I got all my ingredients out. I actually saw Sam Oscarell, I think is how you say her last name, make a ground bison chili. So I'm gonna do my regular chili recipe, and then I'm going to use ground bison instead of beef. I've never done this, but I'm assuming it's gonna taste just as good. I can't imagine it not tasting good. So I'm going to actually first cook it on the stovetop, and then I'm going to dice up some bell peppers. I'm going to add, sorry, I keep looking down at Meadow because I saw her moving around and I got scared that she's waking up. So I need to make sure this is done before she wakes up. I got some diced onion. Always get the diced onion, that's ready to go. Otherwise I'll be crying and it's a mess. I got some organic fire roasted corn, and then 2 different beans. Well, this one's a tri-bean, organic tri-bean blend, and then this one's just organic kidney beans. So I'm gonna do all of this, throw it all in, and then leave it on for a few hours, and then we're gonna go shopping. We'll go back, it'll be ready, it'll be delicious. Okay, Meadow is awake, so I'm just trying to rush here, but it doesn't have to be fully cooked, just slightly, mostly browned and ready to go. I did forget to mention tomato sauce, so I'm gonna do this can. I'm gonna do, oh, I forgot that it's frozen, oh well. Okay, Meadow's awake, so I literally am trying to do this as quickly as possible. I'm gonna do some beef broth. I am realizing now that the bell peppers, there's no way I'm gonna have time to cut these up before Meadow starts crying. She usually gives me like 5-10 minutes in her crib before she cries and wants me to go pick her up. So let's do these 2. She's literally just like waiting at the edge, standing there like looking at the door. I'm just gonna do all the spices, which I will link down below. Give me about 10 minutes to whip up. I can go grab Meadow now. I've come to realize. Okay, we're at Forever 21. I just stopped in here because it was one of the first stores, but my sister actually has this one and it feels really nice and comfy. Like I really like that it's lightweight and it feels flexible. and it's $35. But this is the plus size section. I don't know if they have regular size, but at the same time, I feel like a really oversized one can look really cute. This girl's a little grumpy because she didn't want to. Now you're happy? She didn't want it to sit in the stroller. She wanted to get out and run around, huh? Okay, I love the length of this one. I love the thickness, but I'm not crazy about the print. Like, it's nice, but it's not my favorite. I feel like I've seen way better. You like that one?
Yeah.
You guys, I've seen these online and I've been wanting it every time, and then it sells out. But it's $45, and I swear it looks, I mean, this one's cuter than the Target one I have, but the Target one is $35 or $30, I think. And I know Target has a few more this season as well. So I can't really justify spending $45 on this, even though it is really, really cute. You guys, we're back from shopping. It did not go as planned at all. I literally bought nothing because Meadow just was not having it. Like, she's become more of a, I don't want to say the word brat, but she's become more of like, she really knows what she wants. She demands what she wants. So I had a feeling that it was just her demanding what she wanted, but then at the same time, she was like so on one that I thought like, okay, something's bothering her, because the only time she really like actually cries is when she either has like really bad diaper rash or something. So I had a feeling it was something bothering her. I'm pretty sure it was like her shoes were bothering. I don't know why she was so upset about it, but she was super upset about that. When I finally took them off, she was all better. She was happy. She played the rest of the night. So anyways, Chili's done. Shopping didn't go as planned. We'll try again tomorrow, which I feel like this is the case a lot of times. Things just don't always go as planned. So I end up just like scratching the whole video, and I'm like, nope, this isn't gonna work. I'm done for the day kind of thing. But I've mentioned this in other videos also. I think I'm just gonna keep trucking, keep moving along. I'll post this. It didn't quite work out, but it kind of does. Chili worked out. I actually already had a bowl of it. So I'm gonna have another bowl. I just need to add salt to it, and then we'll go shopping tomorrow. Because Weston's gonna be here, so he can definitely help. He's able to like walk around with her, pick her up, do whatever while I actually shop around. So that's gonna be really nice.
I guess it would be nice.
This is so freaking cute. 70. Okay. Freaking beautiful. This one's also 70. So not super cheap, but also it's not gonna break the bank, but a little more cropped too. So cute. Okay, finally made it to H&M. This one's super cute. It feels a little too masculine in the colors. Like, I feel like Weston could wear something like this, but it's 40 and it's pretty good quality. So a lot cheaper than H&M, although I did like the prints at at Zara. Zara prints were a lot cuter, but I just got her. We'll keep searching. Oh, they found me. She found me. The shopping buddy found me. Where were you?
We got you coffee.
Thank you. Okay, I love the print and pattern on this one, and this one's 50, but it feels more like an actual coat. Like, this is an actual coat, while the other ones are more like a jacket, a shirt jacket. So I'm a little torn, because I feel like a lot of times when they're coats like this, I don't end up wearing them as much because it's never like cold enough consistently. Like, I'm sure there's days where I can wear it. I don't know. I'm torn. I always like something a little more lightweight, but this is really cute and pretty. I'm gonna try it on.
Meadow, huh? Successful shopping trip.
She loves what you got.
Do you like what I got? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Have fun. See you later.
Tell us how dinner is.
Oh, she's saying bye. Bye.
Yeah, she doesn't want to hang out with us anymore. Oh, now you come back. Okay, I knew it. Hey, don't start that.
Meadow and Weston are playing tag, huh?
Dang.
If we go down it, there's a chance we won't make it back. We better move to the positive side. There's a reason why we still have each other to hold. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner chest as the sun rises. I'll fall asleep instead. Woo.
Hey guys, on to a quick little haul. I did end up getting, it looks like a lot more than what it actually is, but I got a few things at H&M and I am obsessed with everything, starting with the top that I'm wearing. Super cropped, really lightweight. It doesn't match with the shorts that I'm wearing, so it's not what I'll be wearing today, but I wanted to put it on for this portion because I thought it was so cute and I wanted to try it on first, because this was one of those that I was like, this can be a total hit or a total miss, but I took a chance and I'm so glad I did, especially because this is an XL and it was the last one they had. It was either this or an extra small. The extra small was obviously way too small, so I went with the bigger one. And it's super cute, and I'm out of breath because I ran up the stairs. Meadow's gonna be waking up soon, so I gotta make sure I finish this ASAP. But I did end up getting, I think, oh no, actually I didn't show this to you in store. But I did end up getting this jacket right here. This one was $39.99 and it was one of the last ones also. So I got the large. It is very oversized. I feel like you can get your true size to still get that oversized look. So I will link everything down below. I'll try to find links. If not, I will link something very similar. So make sure you guys check the description box. But this one just spoke to me. I love how it feels, like thick, good quality, but not too warm. So it's one of those that I can throw on when it gets chilly at night, especially like right now. It's a perfect fall kind of like jacket or coat or whatever you want to call it. So super good price. Also, you guys saw when I went into Zara, I love Zara stuff. I always do, but a lot of times I buy their like fall and winter stuff when they have their huge sale, because everything literally goes on sale. And I've done this many times where I pay full price and then I go back like a month or two later, it's on sale and it's like half the price and I'm like, oh my gosh, I paid literally double. So a lot of times I can't get myself to pay the full price for Zara stuff. Okay, but then at H&M, I think you guys saw me contemplating with this one, and there was a different one. I ended up putting the other one back because the inside of it felt kind of scratchy, whereas this one, it just feels like a really good quality coat. Like this thing looks like it's super expensive. I don't know where the tag went, but I'm pretty sure it was 50, so $49.99. This one's a lot thicker than the last one I showed you, so this one is gonna be one of those that you can layer with. And it is very oversized because I like an oversized look, and a lot of times I'm now usually between a medium and large, more towards the large size, but I did get a medium in this one because it's very oversized, like I said. So cute. I love the length of it. I love that. I also picked up a pair of sweats. I have a few from last year that I bought, and I just love these sweats because they're high-waisted, kind of more just a good perfect fit, and they're super affordable. I think they were $17.99. And then the thing that I absolutely love about them is that make sure you get the little tie waist or the drawstring, because I've gotten some in the past that don't have the drawstring and then they end up kind of falling down on my waist, or they just don't lay on my hips or on my waist where I want them to. Whereas this, if it has a drawstring, I can put them exactly where I want them and they'll stay there without falling down. So cute, kind of like a nude color. And get these now too, because these ones do sell out. I know in the past I would look for my size and it was hard to find certain sizes. So yeah, I really didn't get too many things. And then I got this other pair of sweats. Oh, and I just spoke about the drawstring. Oh, there is a drawstring on the inside. I was like, why would I get these then? There's a drawstring on the inside. These look pretty big, but I kind of like that super loose fit. I got these in a large. So these are just like this gray color, but then what I really liked about these, how much were these? I think they were also around $17. Yeah, $17.99. They feel a little bit different quality than the other. These ones like feel like a more nicer luxe kind of jogger, but then what I really like is that they have a matching sweater that's like the super cropped in the front. This is like one of those where you do have to wear like a tank top underneath, but I feel like this whole look together gives you that athleisure, I'm a cool mom, I'm ready for fall vibes, and it's super comfy. So I got this one as well, and this was $14.99. So both super affordable. I will link them down below. I did get a large in this, so it does look pretty oversized. So hopefully you guys enjoyed all of these little outfits, give you some inspo, some mom looks. I will have links down below to everything, especially just kind of like dupes and things that I have in like my shopping cart from like Misguided or ASOS or places like that, because a lot of times that takes a little longer to ship, but I do have more orders ready to go. And then I'm sure I'll film more videos in the future. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big ol' thumbs up. Super appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all the time. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.